To add event to calendar on a Redmi Note 15, you have to open one of the calendar. In my case, I'm actually using the Google one. In my opinion, it's more advanced. So first of all, we have to accept this permission. And now, as you can see here, we can find our calendar. So if I want to add the event for 2026, for example, for this month, I'm gonna mark this day. And here I can add the title, set if it is event, task, or the birthday. I can even add this to the multiple calendars, and here all of those options that I can set, like I can add some people to show them this event, I can change time when this event will be here, I can add location, add reminder before, change color of this event, I can even add short description about this event, and I can even attach Google Drive files. And I have to click save after I just set everything, and there's short notification about your event, and that's how it looks. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. See you in the next one.